Hello creative friends! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to draw and color a super cute parrot sitting peacefully on a branch, just like this one. This tutorial is designed for everyone, especially if you're just starting your drawing adventure. Before we begin, let's gather our art supplies. You'll need a pencil for your sketch, an eraser for any little adjustments, a black marker or fine liner for outlining, and your favorite colored pencils or crayons in red, yellow, blue, green, brown, and black. Let's start. Thank you so much for drawing with us today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give us a big thumbs up, leave a comment below with what you'd like to draw next, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun art lessons. See you next time, happy drawing!